If you're planning to start a business in New Mexico, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in New Mexico even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why choose an LLC in New Mexico? For one, you have less paperwork. Because New Mexico does not require annual report filings, that means less paperwork, fewer deadlines, and no recurring state report fees every year. You have a strong privacy protection. Member and owner names are not publicly disclosed, making New Mexico one of the best states if you want to keep your personal information off public records. Of course, you have affordable fees. The state filing fee is just around $52, making it one of the lowest cost options in the US. And of course, you have flexible benefits. New Mexico LLCs offer flexible management structures and can take advantage of various tax benefits, especially for small business owners and online entrepreneurs. Next is we need to choose a name for your LLC. You want to make sure that you have a unique business name, and your LLC name must be different from existing businesses in New Mexico. It should include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, or university unless approved. And if you have like a desired business name in mind and you wanted to check the availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to New Mexico Secretary of State Business Search, enter or search your desired name. If there is no matching results, that means the name is available and you are good to go. Remember, you have the option to reserve your business name for 120 days by filing a $20 application for name reservation, ensuring it's available when you're ready to file. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every New Mexico LLC must have a registered agent. A registered agent receives all the legal and state documents. They must have a physical address in New Mexico, and of course, they should be available during normal business hours. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that for as long as you meet all the state legal requirements. You can use a friend or an individual, but we highly suggest is to hire a professional formation agent service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video, which is really convenient and recommended for privacy. Now, the official step that creates your LLC is by filing the Articles of Organization. All you have to do is very simple. Go to the New Mexico Secretary of State website. Create an online account, and of course, you need to provide the LLC name, registered agent details, business address, organizer information, and there is going to be a filing fee of $52, and the processing time usually approved within like 1 to 3 business days. And once approved, congratulations, your LLC is officially formed. Although New Mexico doesn't require, but it is highly recommended to create an operating agreement. An operating agreement defines the ownership percentage, explains how profits and decisions are handled, protects your limited liability status, and this document is especially important for multi-member LLCs, banks, and investors, and of course, for legal protection. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is officially formed, you need to register for the state taxes in New Mexico. Now, the first thing that you need to apply is for the CRS tax ID number, also known as Combined Reporting System number. And all I have to do is very simple. You just have to go to the New Mexico Taxation and Revenue Department. You'll need it if your LLC plans to collect gross receipts tax, pay employees, or sell goods or services in New Mexico. For most active businesses, this step is required. But the good news is the process is super simple and can be done completely online. And then once you get the CRS, all I have to do now is head over to the New Mexico Taxation and Revenue website, and then you need to make sure that to register for your CRS number and get a clear overview of your tax responsibilities. Once you're registered, you'll be fully set up to legally handle state taxes and keep your New Mexico LLC compliant. Alright, now that your LLC is officially set up, let's move on to the next step, which is complying with local business requirements. Now, this part is really important because even if your state paperwork is approved, your city or county may require permits or licenses before you can legally operate. Number one is going to be checking with your city and county government. For example, if you are operating in Albuquerque, you may need permits from the Albuquerque Environmental Health Department depending on your business type. Of course, you need to watch out for specialized permit. If your business is a regulated industry like food service, liquor sales, lodging, or childcare, you'll likely need additional permits, inspections, or health approvals before opening your doors. And of course, finally, online city registrations. Many cities now require businesses to register online through their official city portals. Be sure to verify the exact process for your city, including renewal deadlines and fees, so you stay compliant year after year. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including New Mexico. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page and enter your desired business name. If you want to skip and decide later, you can do that by clicking the next button. Of course, we need to choose the state, and in this case, that's going to be New Mexico. You can also skip providing your business email address and phone number. We need to select the industry, so in our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, It's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the No Thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the 1-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the No Thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically that's it on how to register an LLC in New Mexico, which is one of the best states to form an LLC, especially if you value privacy, simplicity, and low ongoing costs. With no annual reports, no public owner disclosure, and a fast online filing process, it's an excellent option for online businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs looking for a hassle-free setup. Now, let me tell you, if you follow these steps we covered, choosing your LLC name, appointing a registered agent, filing your articles of organization, and getting your EIN, you'll be legally set up and ready to operate with confidence. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step business guides on how to create LLCs in the US, and comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Would like to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.